Tom Black track at LaPorte Stadium underwent resurfacing from 2016 to 2017 to redo the running surface. The new surface also included a facelift, adding a smoky gray color which features orange exchange zones for relays and runways for jumps. Just last year, a team room and press box were added to the track's renovation. The team room is named in honor of newly named interim president Randy Boyd and family, who donated the funds for the building. The Boyd Family Track and Field Center includes a team room and medical training room. Built in honor of Mr. Wayne Baszler, the Baszler Broadcast Center is used to host media and special guests. During last year's SEC Outdoor Track and Field Championships held here in Knoxville, Baszler Broadcast Center served as the hub for all of the SEC media team. Tom Black Track in LaPorte Stadium in just a few years has become one of the nation's premier collegiate track venues.
So my favorite thing about the new track is the new Boyd Track and Field Center, the building with the team room and the training room. It's nice for like example at SECs, all the teams had tents and they're hanging out in the hot tents and it's 95 degrees and we were able to relax in our team room, be in the air conditioned, have the luxury of having a training room to go in back and forth to. We have the Phillips Pavilion, which is nice. We've had multiple barbecues there and team bonding activities. And then you have the Baszler Broadcast Center, which is top notch for the SEC network. We have that. We have alumni meeting rooms in there. It's just a pretty special place. And then the atmosphere around the track. I've been to almost every track in the SEC, and it's just, the fans are just so close with this track, and it really adds to the environment of Tom Black Track, I believe.
This year, Tom Black Track will host two meets on April 11th through the 13th and May 4th.